Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. Before we get started, make sure you have a pencil and paper so that you can take proper notes as you follow along. Our learning goal today is for students to fluently add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers. I'm going to split this lesson into two parts and pull out the easiest portions of this learning goal, which is to multiply and divide integers. Since we're already familiar with our multiplication and division, facts, tables, it just makes sense to start with that. So the rules for multiplying and dividing integers are: whenever you have the same signs, as you see here, and you're multiplying and or dividing, your answers are going to come out as positive answers. That's rule number one. Rule number two: whenever you have different signs and you're multiplying and dividing, as you see in the images here, your answer will come out negative. Multiplying and dividing integers, same sign, answers are positive. Multiplying and dividing integers, different signs, your answers are negative. So it's probably easiest for you to use the steps that are given here. It says when dividing integers, and I'm going to say when dividing and multiplying integers, you can use these steps. The first thing, go ahead and multiply and or divide the integers. And then look at the signs to determine whether or not your answer is going to be positive or negative. So for example, here we have negative 100 divided by negative 5. 100 divided by 5, we know is 20. And then when you go and apply the rules for our signs, a negative divided by a negative means that I have the same sign. I'm going to refer back to my rule. Same sign means that my answer should be positive. So my answer will just remain as positive 20. You do not have to put the positive sign in front like you see here. They just did that to reiterate to you that it's positive. It's a given that if your number does not have a sign in front of it, that it's automatically a positive number. All right, so let's practice a couple more. I'll just write them here. So let's say we have negative 30 divided by 6. Again, let's apply the rule. Let's divide the numbers first and then refer back to our rules to see whether our answer is going to be positive or negative. So 30 divided by 6 gives us 5. And we have a negative and a positive here, which makes our signs different. Different signs means that I should come up with a negative answer. So negative 30 divided by positive 6 should be negative 5. All right, let's do one more. Let's make this one a multiplication practice. Negative 2 times negative 4. All right, again, we're going to multiply the numbers, deal with the numbers first, and then come back to apply our rules for the sign. So 2 times 4 is 8. And then I have a negative 2 and a negative 4, which means that my signs are the same, which means that my answer should be positive. So I'm going to leave my 8 like it is. So our answer is positive 8. So again, just to recap, we focused on multiplying and dividing integers. All right, our two rules were whenever you're multiplying and dividing integers and you have the same sign, your answers should come out to be positive. Whenever you have different signs, your answers come out to be negative. They give you a picture image so you can view that. And then we've done a few examples here. Our tip for this lesson is to deal with the numbers first. So multiply and divide your integers first, and then apply your rules for the signs. Same sign gives you a positive answer. Different sign gives you a negative answer. Hopefully that's helpful. If it was, quick like, please share, and turn on your notifications for our future videos. Thank you, and see you next time with Math with Marilyn.